For this video, I am going to teach you how to publish and then publish a page in WordPress. So for the first part, I am going to teach you how you can publish a page. So just locate first the pages section on the left side pane of your screen and then new page if you want to do that. I'm just going to add all the elements that I want to add to my sample page. So I'm going to add a random image from my media library and add that to my project. And I'm going to title it a sample page so then I can identify it later on. So now if you're dissatisfied with what you have or the elements that you have for your page, what you can do is to hit this publish button, which is located on the upper part of your screen. And before that, you can even change the visibility of your page. So you can set it to private, password, and even have it password protected. And you can schedule it if you want to do that by clicking onto the section right here, but you can opt to publish that immediately. So now if you're already satisfied with what you have on the section right here, again, just hit this publish button. And you can also do that on this section right here and hit publish again. So that's basically it. That is how you can publish a page in WordPress. So let us go back to the dashboard, and now I am going to teach you how you can unpublish a page. So I'm just going to locate the sample page that we have created earlier. So this is this one. So for you, you can just simply locate or choose the page that you want to unpublish and click the edit button just below it. And it will lead you to the same editing page. So now what you can do on this section right here is to locate this switch to draft button right here. So just click onto it and hit OK. And it will automatically unpublish your page and revert your page to draft. So now I'm going to show you another process on how you can also do that. So let us say that you want to unpublish multiple draft at the same time. So what you need to do is to simply check the boxes beside it, just like so. And then on the section right here, locate bulk actions. And from the drop-down menu, hit edit and apply. And this editing page or editing change or editing section will appear and locate the status page. And from the drop-down menu again, select draft and click this update button again, and it will automatically unpublish all of those pages simultaneously. So what you can also do is to simply click this trash button if you don't want to save or to change the status of your page to draft. You can just simply delete it by clicking the trash button, and after a few seconds, it will disappear from the list of your pages. And so that's it for this video. That is how you can publish and then publish pages in WordPress. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.